So I just finished working on my Aiwa stereo system, and I also paired a universal remote control because I lost the original one for it. Alright, let's pop a CD in here. iFixit Protect Toolkit, best toolkit ever. Alright, let's power it on, open and close. For the purpose of this, I have the volume low because I don't want to get copyrighted. Let's put the disc in there. Alright, disc in. Let's press disc 1, bump it because it doesn't want to close. And there she goes, she's playing. More CD skips to come. But for now, that'll do.